Chapter 4 Factorization Exercise 4.3 Sums. Chapter 4 Factorization Exercise 4.3 First question, second subdivision. The question is 9x square minus 1. So since it is a factorization, how many terms used here? There are two terms used here. First we want to check whether there is any common term to take it outside. So no common term in this. So then we have to check out whether the variable is with what square we want to check it. So it is with what power and we want to check it. So it is in square form. So we want to check whether this can be written in the square form. Yes, this 9 can be written as 3 square x square minus 1. And this can be written as 3x the whole square minus 1 square. Right? So this is in the form a square minus b square. Here a is 3a and b is 1. Here a is 3 and b is 1. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is what the identity we are going to use in solving this problem. So which is what 9x square minus 1, which can be written as 3x the whole square minus 1 square, and this is equal to 3x minus 1 into 3x plus 1. See, it can be interchanged also. Both the results are same. Okay, same like that. We are going to proceed this next sum. Here question number 2 for second subdivision. The question is 32x square minus 18y square. So first already I have told you there are two terms in this. How many terms you want to check it? There are two terms. So in this there is any possibility of taking any number common outside, you want to check it. Yes. So here if we take 2 outside, we will be getting, so we are going to take the HCF for this one is 2, right? So if I take 2 outside, I am going to divide this 32 by 2 means 16x square minus this 9, that is 18 by 2, we will get 9y square. Okay, next what we are going to do here is, this can be written as 2 of, the 16 is the square of 4, which can be written as 4 square x square minus this 9 is the square of 3, which is for 3 square y square. And this can be written as 2 of 4x the whole square minus 3y the whole square. Right? This is in the form a square minus b square. So wherever we are using this property, that is this property, in the side corner you write the reason here. And this can be expanded as 4x plus 3y into 4x minus 3y, and outside 2 is common. We want to write it here for all the steps. So this is what the solution. Okay, next question is here x minus y the whole square minus 9. Okay, so here it is in the square form already, and here this number is a square number. So since there are two terms here, so what we are going to do here is just this first term we are writing as it is, and this one we are going to write this as 3 the whole square. So this is in the form a square minus b square. So this is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Since these two terms comes first in the first place, so only this 3 only we are using plus 3 and minus 3. So this is what the solution. So which is what I have written the form, since a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x minus y and b is 3. So using that identity we have expanded this question number 3. Question number 4, first subdivision. The question is 20x square minus 45y square. So already I have told you here there are two terms. So what we want to check here first, say is there any common term we can take it, we want to check it. Yes, here we can take for both the HCF is 5. So no variable is common, just I am taking 5 outside. I am going to divide this 20 by 5, which we got 4x square. Then next here 45 by 5, which is what? 9y square. The next step, we want to check whether this is a square number. Yes. So put 5 common for both, and this can be written as 2 square x square minus 3 square y square, where 9 can be written as 3 square and 4 can be written as 2 square. So which can be written as 5 of 2x square, 2x the whole square minus 3y the whole square. Clear? Okay. Next what we want to do here is This is in the form a square minus b square, where a here is 2x and b here is 3y. A here is 2x and b here is 3y. Where a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. This 5 is common for both, for everything. Okay, next we will proceed with question number 5, first subdivision, which is what 2 bracket x minus 2y the whole square minus 50y square. So here also there are two terms. Okay. So first thing what we are going to do here is first number. Is there any common number for these two terms? We want to check it. Yes, here 2 can be taken as common. So what we can write, what are the remaining terms? If we divide this term by 2, so it will become 1. Then 1 into x minus 2y the whole square minus, so for 50 divided by 2 becomes 25y square. Okay, then next what we want to do here is 2, and this can be written as x minus 2y the whole square, and this is 5 square y square, which can be written as 5y the whole square. Right, this 2 can be written as common for both, and this is in the form a square minus b square, where a here is x minus 2y and b here is 5y. Right, so which is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So since these two are like terms, we want to check then and then. If there is any like term, we want to again do the further steps. Here x minus 2y, both the signs are same, so just we are going to add, which is what x minus 2y minus 5y becomes minus 7y, and here x, here minus 2y plus 5y, so the greater number here is 5, so that sign we want to put here, and 5 minus 2 here is 3y. So this is what the solution, right? So this is entirely different from the previous one because like terms are used here. Okay, next what we are going to proceed here, the next question number 6.1. The question here is 108a square minus 3 bracket b minus c the whole square. Okay, same like the previous one. We are going to take the common number outside first. Is there any common factor, any variable or number? Yes, number alone is common, which is what 3 here. If we take 3 outside, divide this 108 by 3, we will be getting, that is 10, this 9, 3 times, balance 1, 18, 6 3s are 18, which is what 36. A square minus 3 has been taken, so 3 by 3 becomes 1. Then what is left? B minus c the whole square is left. And this can be written as 3 of 6 square a square minus b minus c the whole square. Right? And this can be written as 6a the whole square minus b minus c the whole square. Where 6a here is a and b minus c is b. So this is in the form a square minus b square, and this can be written as a plus, since two terms next side. Okay, so after it comes, so we want to use bracket not to commit mistake. A plus b into a minus b. So and this can be written as 6a plus b, multiply this with plus sign here. So the same sign you will be get, same term you will be getting, and here minus with minus, minus with this one. So you will be getting, it will get changed. So here 6a plus b, plus b minus c, and here 6a minus b plus c. This is what the solution for this question. See here, this is 6a square minus b minus c the whole square. Here there are two terms, and this can be written as here a is 6a and b is b minus c. So a plus b, a minus b, use bracket. There are more than one term, one term is used, that is here two terms b and c are used. So after that, with what is the sign here, with that sign want to multiply. Plus sign means the same sign will be getting, but if it is a minus sign, so minus becomes, see here, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus here. Okay, the next sum, question number 7, first subdivision. The question here is 50x square minus 2 bracket x minus 2 the whole square. Okay, so in this 2, the highest common factor here is only x, that is 2 only is common. So we are going to take 2 common outside. and 50 by 2 becomes 25x square minus 2 by 2 becomes 1, then 1 into that is x minus 2 the whole square, and this can be written as 25 is the square of 5, so which can be written as 5x the whole square. This is equal to what we are going to write here, 5 square x square minus x minus 2 the whole square, this alone. So this can be written as 5x the whole square minus x minus 2 the whole square. So this is in the form, again this is in the form a square minus b square. Here a is 5x and b is x minus 2. So in this previous sum and this sum, the two terms are used in b. So we should be very careful in doing the two. So here 2 is taken common outside. A square minus b square can be written as a plus, use bracket for two terms, a plus b into a minus b, and this can be written as 5x plus x minus 2, then 5x minus x plus 2. Also here these two terms are like terms, so we want to again proceed. So what we will be getting here is 5x plus x becomes 6x, then minus 2 will be writing as it is, then 5x minus x becomes 4x plus 2. So this is what the solution of question number 7, first subdivision. Our next question is question number 8, second subdivision. The question is 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b. So there are 4 terms used here. Okay, what we are going to do here is for factorizing this one. So we are going to take this 2 terms and this 2 terms. We are going to pair these 2 terms. Here this is the square of 2, so we are writing 2 square a square minus b square plus 2a plus b, and this can be written as 2a the whole square minus b square plus, and this can be written separate bracket. Here this is in the form a square minus b square, which can be expanded as 2a plus b into 2a minus b, then here plus 2a plus b, right? So here this is in the form a minus b. So this can be used as one term and this can be used as another term, right? Okay. So what we are going to do here is, so there are 2 terms used here. This is one term and this is one term. So what we are going to do here is, in this 2 term 2a plus b is common. So we are taking 2a plus b outside, and the remaining here, if we divide by 2a plus b with this to this, 2a will get will left, then 2a minus b will be there, and here plus sign, here 2a plus b divided by 2a plus b becomes 1. This is what the solution. This is most important. Once again repeat this one. So here these 2 terms and this 2 terms we are splitting. Okay, first we are taking this 2. This is in the form a square minus b square, which is what a here is 2a and b here is b. That is 2a plus b into 2a minus b, and this term 2a plus b already there. We are just making it as one term, one separate term. So in this 2a plus b is common. So if we are taking 2a plus b common outside, and then we are taking this term and we are dividing this term, we will be getting 2a minus b left, and here 2a plus b divided by 2a plus b becomes 1. Here plus sign here. So this is what the solution. Okay, next question. Our next question is question number 9, second subdivision. The question is a bracket a minus 1 minus b bracket b minus 1. So we are going to expand this 2, and then we are going to do what we are going to do. Let us see. So here this can be written as a into a square minus a into 1a, here minus into plus minus, b into b square minus into minus plus b. Okay. So here we are going to make 2 pair. So what I am going to do here is, here I am going to take this a square minus b square first, then minus a plus b next. Okay, this is in the form a square minus b square. I am going to make this into 2 parts, which is what I am taking minus common outside, which can be written as a minus b, and this is in the form a square minus b square, which can be expanded as a plus b into a minus b, then minus a minus b. So in this 2 term a minus b is common. In this 2 term A minus B is common. So I am taking A minus B common outside. Then after dividing, we will be getting A plus B here. Then here A minus B, if you divide by A minus B this one, we will be getting 1. So here minus sign, so minus 1. This is what the solution. This is also very important. Once again I explain you. So making this, I am taking this as two separate terms, which is what A square minus B square, and this minus A plus B here. I am taking minus outside. Now this will become A minus B. Here A square minus B square, which can be expanded as A plus B into A minus B. So in this two term, A minus B is common. The remaining term here is A plus B. So already A minus B is there. If we divide that two, we will be getting 1. So here minus sign. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Okay, next question is question number 10.1. 9 minus x squared plus 2xy minus y squared. So what I am going to do here is I am going to square this one, which is what 9 can be written as 3 square. I am going to take minus common outside for these term, which can be written as x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, I have taken minus common outside and remaining all the terms. So if you are taking minus outside means here this, see here plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, then this is in the form, this can be written as 3 square minus, it is in the form A minus B the whole square. Here A is x and B is y. So which can be written as x minus y the whole square. So which is in the form A square minus B square, which is in the form A square minus B square. So this is what A and this is what B. So which can be written as A plus B into A minus B. There are two terms used here. So you will be getting 3 plus x minus y into 3 minus x plus y. So no common terms, and this is what the solution for this particular question, which is also most important. So the main thing here, we have used one more formula and here one expansion. So these two are most important. This is A minus B the whole square. So here A is x and B is y we have used, and x A square minus B square formula we have expanded, and there are two terms here. So again we are multiplying with the sign. Okay, next one, what we are going to do here is, so just question number 11, second subdivision. The question is x cube minus 5x squared minus x plus y. Okay. So here we are going to take x square outside. So which can be written as x square into, going to pair this into 2. So which can be written as x minus 5, and here minus I am going to take outside, which can be written as minus x minus 1. Even 1 we can write it. Okay, then here in this 2, what is common here is, so in this 2 what is common here is x minus 5. So in this 2 x minus 5 is common. So what I am going to write here is x minus 5 common. The remaining term here is x square minus 1, and 1 can be written as 1 square, and this can be expanded as, this is in the form A square minus B square, which can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is what the solution. So this is also very important, which is entirely different from all the other sum, right? So here this two term x square I am taking common side, which is what x minus 5, and no common term here, so I have taken minus 1. Then minus 1 I have taken, means then this becomes x minus 5. This 2 x minus 5 common, then x square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. Since it is a square, I am taking 1 square. If it is a cube, I will take 1 cube. Okay. Then x minus 5 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 is the solution for this question. Okay, next. Our next question is question number 12, first subdivision, that is a power 4 minus b power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to take this and this separately. So because this a power 4 can be written as a square the whole square, and here this b power 4 can be written as b square the whole square plus 2b square minus 1. Okay, so the next step, what I am going to do here is a square the whole square. I am going to take minus common outside, and which can be written as b square the whole square plus 2b square, then minus, if I take means this will become minus here plus 1. So here it is in the form a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a here is b square, comma b here is 1. So this reason is most important. So this can be written as, here a square minus b square. This can be written as, that is a square minus b minus 1 the whole square. So which can be written as a square minus b square here, which is what, a here is a square and b here is b minus 1. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, and this can be written as a square plus b minus 1 into a square minus b plus 1. So which is what the solution of this question. This is also so little complicated, but this is very important. So this is one formula, this is one formula, which is in the form a minus b the whole square, then a square minus b square, just to expansion. There are two terms, use bracket, very very important, right? The next question is very easy and small sum, which is what, x cube minus 25x. So I am going to take x common outside, which can be written as x square minus 25, and this 25 can be written as x square minus 5 square, and this is in the form a square minus b square, where a here is x and b here is 5. A here is x and b here is 5. So which can be written as x plus 5 into x minus 5. Very simple question, right? X plus 5 into x minus 5. Okay, our next question also very easy. So the question number 13, first subdivision, which is what, 2x power 4 minus 32. So same like the previously what I used to tell here is, so is there any common term, want to check it? So previously for some sums no numbers for two terms, here there are two terms. Here the common term for this two term here is only 2, so which can be written as x, and this can be x power 4 minus 16, and this can be written as 2 into x squared the whole square minus this 16 can be written as 4 square, and here this we can expand it as a square minus b square can be written as a square, a here is x square and b here is 4, b here is 4. And this can be written as, which is what, x square here is a and 4 here is b. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, and again this can be written as 2 into x square plus 4 into x square minus 2 square. So which can be written as 2 into x square plus 4. Again this is in the form a square minus b square, where a here is x and b here is b. So 2. So which can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2, which is what the solution of this particular question. This is also complicated and important question. So first one, a square minus b square expansion. Again with this minus we are just again we are squaring this 2, which is what, x square minus 2 square, which is what, x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, the next question here is second subdivision 13, a square into b plus c minus b plus c the whole power 3. So here in this 2, b plus c we are taking common outside, which can be written as a square minus b plus c square, and this is in the form a square minus b square. So which can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So which can be written as b plus c into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. So here this is in the form, here a and b plus c, here is b, a square minus b square in that form we have expanded, and this is what the solution of question number 13. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.